Tivoli Gardens and Cavaliers were locked at 0-0 at sports time in the final of the JN Visa Casafa Jackie Bell knockout at the Constant Spring Field. We join live coverage on TVJ Sports Network with Spencer Darlington and O'Neill Meredith.
Stewart has it and drives it into the waiting palms of Darren Duncan in the goal for Cavalier as we welcome the viewers on TVJ joining us during primetime sports. It's 38 and a half minutes gone here at Constant Spring in the JN Visa Casafa Jackie Bell knockout final. It's Tivoli Gardens 0, Cavalier 0, but the scoreline could have been different if Peter Keys had converted a 9th-minute penalty for Tivoli Gardens. But it was a very, very tame effort, a very lazy effort, and he just rolled it nonchalantly into the palms of Darren Duncan between the sticks for Cavalier, and so the scoreline remains at 0-0. Approaching the end of the first half, but it could have been very, very different. The script could have been different at this stage. It's not a pulsating game by any stretch of the imagination. The opportunities have come a few and far in between. Alex Marshall has come close twice for Cavalier. Tivoli Gardens missing their two most potent attacking players, Jermaine Teddy Johnson and Elton Thompson, because of injury. They have looked fairly decent, but they haven't looked very, very potent. And so it's 0-0. Here is the penalty that was missed by Peter Keys in the 9th minute. His overall approach told a story. There was absolutely no conviction, and it made life oh so easy for Duncan in the goal for Cavalier.
Just drove it too close to the goalkeeper.